Here I've got RUGGEAR RG850, and let me show you how to activate timer in the camera on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app. Then you have to select the settings and now click on countdown timer. And it's time to select the period of time, so you can pick 3, 5, 10, 20 or 30 seconds. I will pick, for example, 3 seconds. And now if you would like to grab a picture, it will be taken after 3 seconds. And this is it. Then you can change it to, for example, 5 seconds. Here it is. And as you can see, it's working the same way, but the picture will be captured after 5 seconds. As you can see, this is it. So this is how you can activate timer in your device. If you would like to switch it off, just tap on the settings one more time, choose countdown timer and click on off to switch it off. And as you can see now, the picture is taken immediately after the click. So that would be all. This is how you can activate timer in your device in your RUGGEAR. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.